Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're doing issue 60 of Hatchet Part Works Build the Titanic. Okay, so issue 60, we're doing something a little bit different today. No more davits and that in this one. So yeah, we've got the last stage of that coming up soon. But yeah, we're doing something a little different today. So let me show you the parts we get and what we're doing. Issue 60. Let's flick through the magazine, get to the back. I don't actually know what we're doing in this one. We are doing the entrance to the second class area. So yeah, we're making up a whole new area. We're going to be gluing some windows on, which can be quite tedious, so I will speed that bit up or skip through it. But yeah, other than doing the windows, adding some vents on there. I believe we've already got these vents, and then adding some decking on and some vent peg parts on there. I'm going to add an extra detail on, and then some more benches on our decking. And we don't use these parts here, we can store them for a future stage. Yeah, so as you can see, there's not too much to do in this video, so we should sail through this one. So yeah, don't believe this is available anymore. You may be able to get it still if you're in America from Agora Models. You may have to check their website. It is in my link tree down below. Scan the QR code, that'll take you there, and check Agora Models website. If you're in America, you may still be able to pick this up. Okay, so without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Okay, so to start off, we get this part here. This is the entrance to the second class area. So, as you can see, we've got to put some windows on here, and this side here, and also in the center there. So, yeah, I'm going to cut these windows off. These have already been supplied in the previous issue. So I've got 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, I've got 10 windows. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them off. So I've gone ahead and I've removed them from there. You should have one large and one small left in that. So we've done windows before, so I'm going to go ahead and glue all 7 windows in the areas shown. Okay, so I'm just applying the final window now, just in there. Just like that. So that is what you should have so far. And we also had these vents left over from a previous stage, so let's get these off. Once you've got them off, they're going in these 2 areas here and here. So apply your glue inside the inner frame. We can take one of the vents, and we can just lay that down in there, just like that. It's exactly the same on the other side. And there you are. That is the vents in there now. So once you've got that, we can put the sides on. So we've got these sides here and here. We can glue them in place. So we've got a couple of peg holes here, and as you can see on there, we've got a couple of pegs. So we want the curved section to be facing around this way. So this one is going to go on this side, and this one is going to go on this side. Just add this piece in, push that into place, make sure it's fully in, just like that. Exactly the same on the opposite side. Apply your glue on your pegs, and then we can push this into the 2 holes on here, just like that. So now we do get all these bits of decking, so we get these 2 bits here and these bits here. So go ahead and you can apply glue to that if you want, PVA glue, just to hold your decking down like you can do on everyone. And yeah, stick this down. I'm going to start with the center decking, line up that little hole there, and dropping that down roughly around about there. And now go ahead and do these 2, so one for this side and one for that side. And there you are. That is them on there, just like that. Now we do have 2 peg holes here and 2 pegs on there. There's a larger one and the smaller one to make sure we get this the right way. Now you can either apply your glue onto the pegs or in the holes. So I'm putting mine on the pegs. And making sure we got that the right way round. We can now push this in place, which is this way. There we are. Look at that. Now we can put these two parts in here, one either side. Let's do this bit first. That one. And that one. There we are. That is them in. Next it wants us to glue these two parts together. So we're going to apply some glue on this peg here. This is 60J. That is going to be going onto the back here. It's like a cut out moon shape to make sure you get it the right way. And that is sort of what you should have. And so we do not need this part again for the rest of this issue, or this part. We keep our HP screws, and then we've got all these parts here. We keep them until next time as well. So all the way down here, right at the bottom, we've got two parts here where we can install these benches. Let's install this one first. There we are. Exactly the same on the opposite side. Making sure that's in, standing correctly. Just there. And with that, that is this issue all complete. There you are, guys. So that is issue 60 all complete. And yeah, I think coming up over the next 5 or 6 issues, we're going to be proper delving into this and basically attaching all the funnels and everything to that. So yeah, we're going to be attaching all of these along there. So yeah, can't wait for that. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.